Welcome to Earth Eats. Today we're going to do a beverage which I think will keep you cool all summer long. And if you're, maybe getting into cocktail hour, maybe add a little splash of vodka to it. This basil is from Good Life Farms, which is just south of us here in Bloomington. So that's going to be our main flavoring. I'm going to put equal parts of sugar. There's about a cup and a half of boiling water. I want to blend that so it's clear. And to that we're going to add our basil. Now this basil is grown in a hydroponic farm, so it has very tender stems. If you're using basil right out of the garden, it has kind of woodier stems. You're probably going to want to take the leaves off the stem. A cup and a half of basil there, and we're just going to pulse it, bruising the leaves because we want to bring out the essential oils from the basil, but we don't want this to be a puree. We want it to be a clear green lemonade. So now we're going to strain our puree. This is a fine mesh strainer. It's called a chinois in French, but if you don't have that, they are quite expensive. You could just use cheesecloth. We're going to add about a cup and a half of lemon juice, fresh squeezed, of course. We're going to taste that. Now it should be pretty strong because we haven't iced it down yet. So this is like a concentrate. That's delicious. Just before you serve it, we're going to ice up our glasses. Pretty full of ice because it's fairly concentrated lemonade. You see how nice and green, almost chartreuse colored that is. Okay, we're going to garnish it with some basil. And you could use any kind of basil for this. So if you have a lot of Thai basil, you could do a Thai version. Maybe even put a little coconut milk in it to make it like a Thai tea. I've got some really pretty opal basil, which is the dark purple basil. And that is our Chef D's Garden Basil Lemonade. Keep cool, everybody.